Right, so I was excited about at last getting the electrics fixed on the van. Found the place that I talked about earlier. Tons of great reviews, 5 stars, 5 stars, 5 stars, 5 stars. In the town or small city where it was very hard to get parked, I got parked, walked the way down in to see the guy, and you know, because the reviews are that good, when he seen me and he got out of a car that he was working on, I was expecting a big smile, and I gave him a big smile, and I didn't get a big smile. And I said to him that I had it all translated, and I said to him that a problem with the camper van and whatever, and he said, I have no English. I've written down, and he says, no camper, go. And I says, no, it's just a bike. He says, go. It really annoyed me. So I don't know. I'm going to now ahead and look for somewhere to stay and have a think about it. I'm okay. There's no big issue actually. It seemed a bit more dire yesterday, but I thought about it last night. I've still, as long as I'm in campsites, I'm still okay. So I'll head on up the coast a bit, look for a campsite, and as I say, I'll decide then what to do. This is the third one that's been closed. So this area that I'm in at the minute is just one campsite off. You couldn't believe there's so many campsites. There's actually one there as well, the whole way up that road. But some were closed, some were very expensive, and then I found this one, which is like a municipal camper site. Not very pretty or anything, but there's no people running it. You come in and you take a token. But this is spot on, €20 a night all in, and we're in Tuscany, so that's pretty good. I mean, one of the ones I looked at was 45 a night, although it had swimming pools and all, but still 45 a night. That's hotel prices. So I've got electric, I'm right beside water. That's actually the first time I've got electric and water that I don't have to move the van about to get the water. It's not a very nice day today. It's not terribly cold or anything, but certainly it's dull, raining on and off. So the electrics of the van, yesterday it was a bit of a disaster. It was like everything started to melt, smoke started to come out, whatever, but I figured out how to turn the 12-volt system off, and if I'm plugged in to the mains, everything works, everything. I sort of feel like, I'm never going to get this electric fixed. But I'd mentioned in an earlier video that I have come to some fairly big decisions. And part of those decisions, if I go ahead, and I am going to explain it within the next 2 or 3 videos, will involve going back home for a short period of time. And I think I'm going to leave, although I keep changing my mind, but I think I'm going to leave the electrics to then. And I've even figured out a way, if I want to do the occasional night not in a campsite, all will be without would be running water. So I'm not going to bother with it, probably. But yeah, this is great. This is dead on. I don't know how long I'll stay here. Maybe a few days, I'm not sure. The beach is a walk down through a pine forest. It looks to me to be about 1 kilometre. So the dog, that's great for the dogs and good for me and my bike. I'll be able to take a wee dart down there later today probably and see what there is. No shops or anything around here, but I'm all stocked up. So there you go. I'm knackered by the events of the last 24 hours with electric, and I was looking forward to going to the island down. It looked like it had some lovely places, but I'm well above it now and I'm not going to bother going back. The next stop after here will be, well, the next place after here I'll be heading towards will be Pisa.
12 seconds later.
Now, an amazing thing about this wee campsite, or this wee place that I've stopped, 60 megabytes per second download and 43 upload. I have never had power like that on my computer anywhere, at home, travelling or whatever. I'm really looking forward to uploading my next video to YouTube to see if it's quick. Isn't that brilliant?
1 eternity later.
Oh my gosh, I'm glad the sun's out. Almost 2 days of rain. I've been stuck in the... Luckily I had videos to edit, but I've been in the van basically for 2 days. Rain. Last night was freezing. Meanwhile the campsite filled up and They all look like empty vans because everyone locked up in them for so long. But sun's out, looking good. I'm gonna go and do, whenever I arrived here it was all well stocked up. All I've done's eat. I actually have to be careful, don't want to be on any weight. But I'm gonna go now and find a supermarket. You're in a wee bit in the middle of nowhere here. It's a very long straight road with nothing but campsites on it, motorhome sites on it. So I'll go and find, there's a little, but I'm going to be adventurous. I'm going to go to an Italian supermarket. There's one about 10 kilometers up the road, so we'll go there and see what it's like. Really nice stretch of road. Campsites occasionally. Right, so shopping done. Supermarket was fine, very busy, dead on, got everything I needed. I'm going to head back to the campsite now and hopefully, if this good weather keeps up, hopefully sit in the sun for 2 or 3 hours. Sun's still out, nice temperature. I'm going to sit and do nothing. That's my plan for the rest of today. I also bought 4 beers, so I'll have 4 beers this evening. I always say that, then I have 2 and I don't want anymore, but it's Formula 1 day and it's killing me because I haven't been able to get Formula 1. You pay for a VPN service on your internet and it's supposed to be able to redirect you and you can get whatever you want, but the fact is I've now tried 3 VPNs and I still can't get BBC, Channel 4, Sky, so VPNs are a waste of money when it comes to that. Anyway, I'm going to leave it off there. Hope you enjoyed the video, the trials and tribulations, but until next time, bye for now.